Testing, testing, testing. Hi there, my name is Rohan Beve, and today we are going to be talking about the butterfly effect. We're going to be talking about what it is and how does it work. So let's first talk about how does it work, and let's put it up with this example, okay? So meet Robert, okay? He's your friend, and he got the cold, okay? So Robert's mom, okay, decides to not send Robert to school. Now, usually, you and Robert would mainly sit together during math class, okay? But since he's not there, you decide to sit next to the new kid. And the new kid and you have one thing in common, okay? You guys start talking, and eventually you both realize that you both like building robots, right? So eventually, you both decide to work together for the upcoming science fair, okay? So you both work together, okay? You win it. You continue to win the science fair competitions. You get so good it becomes a lifelong friendship, okay? You eventually create your own company. You become famous, and eventually you become an AI company corporate, okay? And I'm guessing the AI's name would be Talk to Me GCT, okay? Something like that. So that's what the butterfly effect is. How something so small can affect large things around us. Okay, so how was it first discovered and found? Okay, so let's take it back to 1961, okay? Here we have Edward, okay? He is this mathematical guy, okay, who is doing some stuff for the weather report, okay? He takes a sip of a copy, okay? Types in on this early version of a computer, okay? Mainly, he's checking the weather, right? And mainly, he would type in the numbers, these specific numbers for it, okay? 0.506127. But then he decided to, you know what, I'm gonna round this up, okay? And just put it to 0.506, okay? He just places in, and then he goes for a new cup of coffee, okay? He comes back in, takes a sip, and realizes that the graphs are completely different when he put it, okay? It's very different. So then he wondered how something so small can create a large effect. It's like a butterfly in Brazil, okay, flapped its wings, and because of that, in Texas, a tornado happened, okay? Like, you can understand that sort of effect. A more historical example of that would be, we have this man, okay, in 1914, Archduke Franz Ferdinand, okay, of Austria. And in 1914, he got assassinated, which caused the events of World War I to happen. So how one small thing, such as the assassination of this guy, started an entire world war, okay? Something so small can affect something so big. Now the thing is, it's tricky to understand what the outcome would be, okay? It's so tricky to think so, right? Because you don't know what the outcome is. Let's say you accidentally drop a marker and someone in your school picks it up. Then they start getting ideas and start drawing on a notebook with your marker, and then they get smarter, you know, that kind of thing. So, or let's say you throw a piece of trash one day, and then 1 month later you see that entire place is fully garbage, right? There are a bunch of plastic bottles and stuff like that. So it's tricky to, you know, find what the outcome would be. So that's why we should also be aware of it, okay? So we can also use the butterfly effect for good as well. Something so small can make a large effect, such as, you know, being kind to other people, or maybe helping the environment by taking one plastic bottle, throwing it down into the recycle bin. Guess what? That was the very last bottle in the entire area that was cleaned up, that gave motivation to other countries, and then those other countries start doing it, then they get cleaned up, all of that waste gets reused and recycled, you know, and an economy, you know, and the earth is clean, right? So that's basically what the butterfly effect is, okay? And that's basically it for this video. Thank you for watching this video. Hope to see you next time. Bye-bye!